This is Lab 13, Example 10. You want to solve the inequality by looking at an appropriate graph and write your answer in interval notation. So we have this three-part inequality. We have negative 10 is less than 2x minus 5, which is less than or equal to negative 5. So just like example 9, where we had two lines, here we're going to have three. So we're going to have y1 is equal to negative 10. We're going to have y2, another line, is equal to 2x minus 5. And we're going to have our third line, which is y3 is equal to negative 5. So y1 is equal to negative 10, y2 is equal to 2x minus 5, and y3 is equal to negative 5. So we're going to put that into our graphing calculator. So turning it on, we're going to go into our y equals. We're going to clear what was already there. y1 is negative 10. Note that you have to press the negative sign and not the minus sign, or else it will give you an error later on. y2 is 2x minus 5. And then y3 is negative 5. Once you do that, you can press graph, and it'll bring up those three lines for you. So here it's drawing these three lines. We're going to zoom in a little bit. So here it's zooming in. So now that we actually have it zoomed properly, we're going to figure out where they intersect. So we have second trace for calc. We're going to go to 5 intersect. And we want to figure out these little points right here where they intersect. So I'm going to do the blue line first. The first curve is going to be the blue. Second curve is going to be the red. And we're going to figure out where the intersection is. So they intersect about right there. So our intersection for these two is negative 2.5 and negative 10. That's what it gives us. And then we're going to do this again. So we're going to do second calc, go down to 5 intersect. First curve is going to be the black one, and then we want the red curve. So, and then we're going to figure out where our intersection is, which is about there. So it says our intersection is at x is 0, negative 5. So, because of this, we have x is 0 and x is negative 2.5. If 2x minus 5 is between negative 10 and between negative 5, 2x minus 5 is this red line right here, while the blue line is negative 10 and the black line is negative 5. That means that 2x minus 5 is between these two numbers when x is between negative 2.5 and 0. So you can actually notice when x is between negative 2.5 and 0, we have that little space in between where the red line is. So in interval notation, we draw a number line. We have negative 2.5, we have 0. It's an open circle at negative 2.5 and a closed circle at 0. And it's in between. So, in interval notation we have open circle, negative 2.5 to 0, closed bracket.